We have so many lists these days that are digital. A great example would be contact lists. We have lists of contacts in Facebook and LinkedIn and Outlook on our cell phones. And these lists can be synchronized or they can be completely separate. But regardless, they are digital lists. Now, a great thing about digital lists is that it's easy to copy that content. We can extract it, export it, we can make backup copies or share it or repurpose it. And I often am finding myself working with information in list A and bring it over to list B for some other reason. And in that process, I am often using my very good friend, Excel, because Excel has so many fantastic functions and tools, including functions and tools that allow us to manage our list data and make it into something that an actual human being could understand as opposed to some comma separated content that's really smushed together. Now, here's a real world scenario of where I was using Excel just recently. I was tasked with taking a list of email mailing addresses and converting it into something that was a more formal, traditional list, maybe for a roster or even to bring it back into full fledged email contacts for, let's say, Outlook. And the first step is I went to the email, I open it up, and I'm going to select and copy all of those email addresses and then bring that into Excel, paste it right into a blank cell. And that's where the real fun begins. So let's take a closer look at that.